Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin inside your Google account security settings, sign in and go to Safety or Security, then select two-step verification to start. Use your primary phone number first because Google sends an initial SMS or prompt. This verifies the device and prevents lockout. Once you tap Get Started, follow the on-screen verification code step. It confirms you control that phone. Make sure account recovery email is current because verification changes trigger recovery checks. This protects account access while you enable the feature. Now you'll add additional verification methods so you don't depend on a single channel. Choose Google Prompt for convenience or use an Authenticator app for offline codes. A hardware security key gives the strongest protection. After adding one, immediately register at least one backup phone or generate emergency codes and print or store them securely. Once done, review listed devices and label or remove any you no longer use. This reduces confusion and keeps only trusted second factors tied to your account. Finish by signing out and testing a fresh sign-in to confirm the two-step flow works as expected. This step proves you won't be locked out. If something goes wrong, use your printed emergency codes first, then the recovery email or phone. For persistent lockout, follow Google's account recovery prompts patiently, provide recent passwords and device info to verify identity. Make sure to update phone numbers and revoke access from lost devices. Proactive maintenance prevents future access issues and keeps your account secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.